Guys, welcome back. I have a quick Aldi grocery haul for you guys. I didn't do the shop with me part because the last few weeks have just been crazy, so I just had to run in and run out. But I will go over everything that I picked up and I will show the prices with you, and let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, this is everything that I picked up today. So I figured today, just to mix things up a little bit, I will start on the right side. And let's see, tucked away back here, I picked up 2 things of chicken broth. I use this for a few of the recipes for our Mediterranean meals that we do throughout the week. And then I picked up a few like snacky things to go with sandwiches. I got some of the ranch flavored chips, just regular kettle potato chips. One of my bonus girls, she loves these peanut butter filled pretzels, and I just ran out of these, so I went and got some more of those for her. I thought these looked super good. It is almonds with dark chocolate and cashews, like a mix. And then y'all know your girl needs some chocolate, so I got the milk hazelnut, and then I also got a milk chocolate with almonds. And then my girls also love these express mac and cheese, so I got a pack of these for whenever they come to visit. I got a pack of the tangerine sparkling waters. I got some dark chocolate peanut butter protein bars. And I actually got a ton more of these, and I wanted to save some room on the table, so y'all know I love to get these for Reese. So I got several of those. And then I also got some black beans. I got a few cans of the fruit cocktail. And then I got the diced tomatoes. This one is the basil, garlic, and oregano flavored with those seasonings. And then this one is the fire roasted. I also picked up my coffee. I got the Parmesan cheese. This one has Romano. I got 2 jars of the tomato, basil, and garlic sauce, 2 jars of dill pickles. And y'all know every time I go, I have to stock up on my ground turkey in the frozen section. It's just such a good deal, so I got 4 of those. For sandwiches, I got Swiss cheese, and then I got some turkey, the mandarin oranges, some lemons, 2 packs of raspberries, bananas. I got some salmon. I got some of the boneless chicken thighs, as well as the chicken breasts. And 2 cucumbers. I went ahead and picked up some feta cheese. As y'all know, if you saw the other, my last Aldi haul, my husband and I are trying to eat more Mediterranean style. I'll have that video linked up here for you, just in case if y'all want to check that one out. I also got the tzatziki sauce. You can make this, but to save time, it is super more easy just to buy it pre-made. And I love their chicken salad, the cranberry almond. This is super good for quick and easy lunch. And then I got these yellow potatoes for one of the recipes that we like. And then I also got the pita bread. I got 2 packs of those, 2 packs of baby carrots, chopped kale. And then I got 4 packs of the mixed vegetables that you can steam in the bag. I got 2 boxes of like the scalloped potatoes for easy dinner nights. And we love these risotto packs. 4 cheese. I got the roasted garlic and the mushroom. And you know how like you have some days where you just need a snack in between dinner? Or before dinner, I got these assortment of crackers with some cheese that I can dice up for a quick and easy snack. And then back here, I went ahead and got some sandwich bags. I stocked up on some napkins. I got 2 things of paper plates. And I got some Honey Nut Crispy Oats, the Aldi version of that as the family size, so it's a pretty big box. I got the coconut cream creamer for myself. I got paper towels, and I got 2 things of whole milk. I got the larger gallon, and I got a half gallon because we have to stay stocked up on this for Reese. And then I couldn't resist. Aldi's has these beautiful little bouquets of flowers for only $3.99. So I will be putting these out somewhere. And that is it. So that is all I picked up today at the store. Alright you guys, well that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And don't forget to stop down in the comments and say hello, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!